KiloCode AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that has just been released, and in this review I'm going to reveal 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you dive in. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know whether this software is really the game changer it's being hyped up to be. And if you're thinking about trying it out, stick around to find out how you can test KiloCode AI for free using the link in the description below. Let's start by addressing the basics. KiloCode AI is designed to streamline your workflow and automate a variety of tasks, making it ideal for digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners. But what makes KiloCode stand out from the thousands of other AI tools out there? Well, one thing that immediately caught my attention is how it combines multiple AI capabilities into a single user-friendly platform. Whether it's content generation, marketing automation, or even customer interaction, KiloCode integrates all these into a seamless experience. One of the best features is its ability to generate high-quality content in minutes. For digital marketers, this is a huge time saver. You don't need to spend hours writing articles or blog posts anymore. With KiloCode, you can input a few keywords, and it will produce relevant, engaging content almost instantly. And it doesn't just generate text. It's designed to ensure that the content aligns with SEO best practices, making sure you stay ahead of the game in your marketing efforts. KiloCode also excels at automating repetitive tasks. For example, if you're running an online business, automating emails, customer support, or even social media responses can free up a lot of your time. What's impressive here is that KiloCode doesn't just automate these tasks, it personalizes them. So it doesn't feel like a robotic interaction, but something that's been tailored to your audience. Another crucial aspect is its data-driven insights. KiloCode AI analyzes your performance and provides real-time feedback on your marketing strategies. This feature allows you to make data-backed decisions without relying on guesswork. In a fast-moving digital world, having data-driven insights at your fingertips can make all the difference. It's also worth noting how KiloCode has been optimized for user experience. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of this software. The interface is intuitive and the setup process is smooth, even for beginners. You'll be able to jump right into using the software without any steep learning curves, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to save time and get results quickly. One thing I found particularly interesting about KiloCode is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, this software can adapt to your needs. It's equipped to handle a small business just as efficiently as a large enterprise, making it a flexible solution for a wide range of users. Of course, with all the hype around AI tools, there's always the question of whether the software actually delivers. And based on my experience, KiloCode AI doesn't disappoint. I've tested it extensively and the results speak for themselves. The content it generates is relevant, high quality, and optimized for the web, making it a valuable addition to any digital marketing strategy. Before we wrap up, don't forget, you can try KiloCode AI completely for free through the first link in the description below. So, if you're curious about how this could work for your business, there's no risk in giving it a shot. And if you're interested in exploring more AI tools, check out the list of my top recommended software in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I trust to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links for your free trials. You won't want to miss out on these incredible AI tools.